Alright, so we are here now. I'm about to unbox the Smithsonian rocket. And as you can see, it soars up to 50 meters. I could use it more than once. And it's powered by baking soda. There's a lot of stuff you need for this thing. Now we are going to build the rocket. So first we have to insert this through here. I don't know how far, but just do it.
It's a high-tech production. We have our assistant Grace.
Oh my gosh.
All right, Grace, you keep shooting. All right.
There's a lot.
Do we need to do this outside? I'm not
I
kidding.
think so.
Because it might take off and then, hit something it shouldn't. All right, we'll be back in a minute after we relocate.
Okay, I got this.
Bye.
Take 10.
Should we do this mid-street?
So we don't,
Let's set it up right here. And then when we pour the vinegar and stuff in, we'll do it in there.
Pour baking soda into the launch tube to the desired launch height.
This is not gonna end well. Okay, that's good.
What could possibly go wrong?
Us exploding the entire thing. All right, so next we need to pour the vinegar into the tube of the rocket.
Get at least 3 meters or 10 feet away from the rocket and wait for liftoff.
So go ahead and put it on there.
Not yet, because then it'll automatically launch. We have to wait for this truck to go. Oh, I put it in upside down.
Oop, we have a mail interruption.
Yeah, mail interruption. Short intermission.
I'm gonna get 30 feet away. All right, go for it.
So,
oh my gosh.
So I put it on first,
Just
right?
shoot your eye out, kid.
so I put it on first. Then I shake it in the middle of the road, right? Okay.
Oy.
Hopefully it doesn't. Oh man.
Okay. Here. All right. You ready? Oh, why am I having to do this thing? Oh dear. All right.
Okay, don't shake it. Don't shake it.
Why isn't it?
Don't shake it.
Oh, good God. All right. That's take one. That was a mistake. Hold on.
Today we were unsuccessful, but we'll see you next time. Stay Galaxy, stay gaming. See ya.